So on to order of operations with whole numbers and exponents. We're adding exponents to the mix here. And I'll be very frank, I do not plan to do exponents by hand. I plan to use a calculator to do them. I'll use Wolfram, use whatever you feel most comfortable with. At any rate, order of operations, we look for parentheses, there are none. We look for exponents, and we do have an exponent right here, 2 to the power of 4. Now we need to remember that that is not 2 times 4, which would be 8. That is the equivalent to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times itself 4 times. Wolfram gives me 16 there. So 48 plus 64 divided by 16. And so down the order of operations we go. We did exponents. Multiplication, I don't see any. Division, I see some right there. So copy our 48 plus 64 divided by 16 is 4. 48 plus 4 is going to be 52. On to the next. This time we've got parentheses and exponents. Wonderful. 2 times 37 minus 2 to the power of 5. Now that is remembering that does not say 2 times 5. That says 2 times itself 5 times. Coming back here to Wolfram to do that for me, that gives me 32. Copy everything else. 2 times 37 minus 32. 37, now we go down our line. Inside parentheses comes first. So we are going to subtract that 37 and 32 before we do the multiplication. You could do the multiplication first if you did the distributive property and all this stuff, but for simplification of things, we are not going to address that in this video. We're going to stick with order of operations and say we need to do what's inside parentheses first. So 2 times 37 minus 32 is 5. And I don't need the parentheses, on there because all the operations have been done. So 2 times 5 is going to give us 10. Okay. Got some room, so we will do another here. Pardon the sound of my Roomba in the background. So we've got 7 plus 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2, times 3. And we look for parentheses, there are none. Exponents, we do have an exponent, that's 5 to the power of 2. So 5 times itself. So 5 times 5 makes 25. We look for, now that exponents are gone, multiplication or division. We have some right there. We've got 7 plus 25 times 3 is 75. And 7 plus 75 is 82. All right, I think we've got time for one more. And we have 2 times 6 squared, or to the power of 2, divided by 9. Again, following the order of operations, there are no parentheses. We do have an exponent, which is 6 to the power of 2. That is not 6 times 2, which would be 12. That is 6 times 6, which is 36. So 2 times 36 divided by 9. Now we have multiplication or division from left to right. I see multiplication here. I see division here. We do those from left to right. So 2 times 36 is 72. Divided by 9 is 8. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope this is helpful.